Wow!
Okay, Chris, keep talking to him.
Look at that. Oh, he jumped through the circle, didn't he? Okay, let's see him do it again. That's a big puppy dog, isn't it? He was big, wasn't he? His name was Herman. Can you say Herman? Herman? Way up high! He jumped really high, didn't he? Let's see if they have another puppy in here. What else have we got? Oh, here we go. These are the people doing gymnastics. Look at them. Look at them. Wow. Did you